Is your structure showing cracks? Don't worry, we've got the perfect solution. Concrete stitching, a proven repair technique that restores strength and durability to cracked concrete. Let's dive into where, when, and how it works and why it's essential, especially in India. Concrete stitching is versatile and can be used across various scenarios: slabs that crack due to shrinkage or overloading, beams and columns affected by seismic activity or poor construction, walls and industrial floors that bear heavy loads, and bridges and roads with expansion joint failures. Concrete stitching is most effective when crack width and depth exceed 0.1 mm, the structure's safety or waterproofing is compromised, or seismic activity or water seepage accelerates damage. Here's how it works. Assessment. Cracks are examined using non-destructive testing methods like UPV or rebound hammer. Preparation. Cracks are cleaned and widened. Installation. Dowels or staples are inserted across the crack to stitch it. Filling. High-strength epoxy or polymer-modified grout is used to bond sections together. Finishing. Protective coatings ensure durability and a seamless finish. In India, concrete stitching is vital because aging urban infrastructure demands cost-effective repairs. Many regions fall under seismic zones, monsoons exacerbate seepage and structural deterioration, and it's a budget-friendly alternative to rebuilding damaged structures. At Vasavi Infra Solutions, we are experts in repair and retrofitting. Here's how we can help: expert assessments using non-destructive testing tools, tailored solutions to meet your structural needs, premium materials like epoxy resins and steel dowels for durability, skilled execution for precise and long-lasting repairs, and post-repair follow-ups to ensure your structure remains strong. Don't let cracks compromise your safety or investment. Contact Vasavi Infra Solutions today to restore and protect your structure with professional concrete stitching.